Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is a poem on rainy season in English. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Now let's see. The rain is raining all around, pitter patter raindrops falling from the sky. The clouds have turned black and grey. The rain falls down from the clouds above. Peacocks dance and frogs croak. There is greenery all around. Farmers give charming smile. It's time for a plaza. I put on my raincoat and umbrella and boots on my feet to keep me safe and dry. Rain brings happiness and all get excited. The rain is raining all around, pitter patter raindrops falling from the sky.